Hello everybody. Um, Welcome back to another tutorial. Actually, this here is a more more enhanced tutorial or updated tutorial on how to install Trucker MP. You're going to see me actually install it and run it. So here we go. First thing we do, we go to the web page, which the link will be down below, which is Trucker MP. You have to make your profile. The requirements for MP is you got to have 2 hours real time in game and registered on Steam. Now, if you have the hard copy, I don't know the requirement for that. Also, you got to have your Steam set to public. Because MP will do a verification on your games before you can even have access to download MP. At the time of this recording, the versions are ETS 2, 1.34.0.17s. For ATS, it's 1.34.0.4s. And if you see, I already got a profile made on here, so go down here to this corner here where you got download clients install. You just click on the download. I already got it downloaded, so I don't need to download it again. So then we just go to our downloads. You want to look for a zip file, which is launcher underscore 1004, and you can copy it to your desktop to extract it, or you can extract it however you like, or you can just basically just open and click the installer. You will get a confirmation. The system is going to ask you if you want to do it. Here is the wizard for your Trucker MP. The first page, you just want to click next. On this page, you want to make sure you click accept. Then you want to send it to the destination folder of your choosing. The default is C program files, Trucker MP launcher. I'm going to leave that one as is. Okay, when you get to this page, you want, if you got both games, make sure both of them clicked. If you only got one, just click one. Because what you got click here will determine what screens you're going to see next. If you got both games, you will start off with the American Truck Simulator. Now, sometimes this will be auto-filled. If you don't have auto-filled, like mine is not, click Browse. I got my games on a external hard drive, so I'm going to click it. Okay, there it goes. Maneuver down to where your Steam library is, or however, whatever you call your library. I happen to got mine called Steam library. Then Steam apps. Then common. Then American Truck. Click OK. Click next. And you just did the same thing for the Euro truck. Find the Euro truck, and bam, there you go. Then setup will create a program shortcut on the start menu, and you should also end up with one on your desktop. Yeah, here where it asks you if you want desktop. Then just click install, and there it's done. Now I don't need that folder no more. Now to test it out, we'll just double click MP. You will get this, and you will have to install from here. So before you get anything down here, which this would be ATS, this would be ETS. Before you can click on those, you have to install this stuff. Just click install. It should take just a few minutes. Look like I got 87 files there to do. And the length of this will depend on your speed of your system. Okay, mine is done. And now, as you notice, you got launch ATS, launch ETS. So let's do one. Let's go with ATS. Click it. This will take a few minutes. It will start launching ATS like it normally would. Okay, here you would put your passwords and whatnot in. I will not reveal my password, so if you basically get to this point, you basically got everything done. So, happy trucking. Maybe we can see each other on the road sometime. Until then, have a good one.